Hi guys, it's me again, Ryan. Today I'll be doing a special review on the tune-up gears of Crossfight B-daman, which is CB-18 Power Manteau. This is one of the special editions I've done previously, but upon the request from Mindful Daniel, he wanted me to do it specifically on this particular tune-up gears. Okay, I'll be doing on several Crossfight B-daman, and this is one of the gold versions or yellow gold versions of Power Manteau from my CB-23 custom set. Well, the CB-18 is the one with the blue colors, just that it's the same design, more like a jackpad kind of design, but it's helping you to stabilize the back of the B-daman as well as help to boost power. So it's more of a power type stabilizer instead of control. This helps to stabilize it with the skirt, and the state is, if I'm not mistaken, 7 for power, the rest is 0. So it's more for the adding power to the control type core or rectifier core, or you can double add power additionally for your power type core such as XL core, or make the SL or those Crossfight cores, whichever way you name a few, and the usual parts where they have this boost for the power and the power pad to boost the shots, which you have to hook on the end of the trigger of the B-daman. So let's show you guys a few B-daman that I'm going to use. First, this is the metal cell core, metal ref core, and I'm gonna use on the top core the power type. This one is the rectifier, and the roll core, which is also for the rectifier. I'm gonna boost the shots, and lastly, control core, more on the stopology. I'm gonna use that as well for the Power Manteau parts. So let's focus one by one using the Power Manteau. Okay, so I'm gonna join it right here. Hear the snap sound, so that's where it fixes around the back of the roll core. And for this, I don't think it's necessarily, because it has already have the roll core without the power pad. I'm going to show you how fast it is just using the roll core itself. Let me use the sister magazine. Instead of sister magazine, I'm going to use Tornado. Okay. Okay. So let's load up to B-daman. It adds up the power. You gotta hold the Tornado magazine just so it wouldn't break. Okay, hold this part and then you fire. quite powerful. And that's for Rosa sword. Okay. Now let's go for the Strigoroshi control type. Let's put on the tornado magazine. Ready? There's how it looks like. It's quite good. Just do again. 1, 2, 3, B5. So it does add out a lot of good shots. Do it again. 1, 2, 3, B5. The downside about this is you gotta hold on to it while shooting. So the other way around, you gotta do it. Just control tornado and fire. Spin it. Very powerful. Seriously? Let's for the control type. So now let's get to the rapid fire part. Now let's start off taking up, shooting more added more power. Shot. Sorry guys. Just didn't fix on. Shot again. 3, 2, 1, B5. So you can generally see it's very powerful. Fast shot, do the fast shot. It's quite good. Now the last is obviously you shall never forget the Torpedo. This is originally from the CB-23 and I think it's better. It comes together with this power mantle originally. So you just fix it. It's one of the perfect combo recommended by the WBMA. So it's wise you pair them up. It looks good. It is in a set. It looks great than ever. Sweet custom set. And looks better than ever. So let's try it out. One, 2, 3, B5. Whoopsie. There it is. This is how it looks like. It looks great. So just shoot it. So it's really good. Totally, unbelievably awesome. This is the kind of set that most people set just like that. This is the power Manteau. It looks great overall. I'm not sure if you can use it on the B-daman. Let me try one. What's it gonna say with regard to... Let's put on a cross eagle. Okay, it doesn't fit. It's kind of loose when you use on ES. It doesn't fit on the back of it. The design sucks, so it's only on Crossfight. It cannot fit on the ES core. So there's no point for that. Stick back on the Crossfight series, then it'll look pretty great. As usual, it sure looks good. And I hope you guys like it. Please enjoy it, favorite it, share it. I'm Ryan here, signing off. Bye.